If you're trying to make money online, but you have no money to get started, then you're gonna wanna watch this video. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I wanna talk about how you can start to make money online, even if you have no money to get started. Now, if you're watching this video, then chances are you've probably watched a few other videos talking about how to make money online. But the websites or the methods that I'm going to talk about in this video are going to be legit methods so you can make money online. So just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, these aren't a get rich quick overnight type of deal. These methods you're going to have to actually put in the work. Now before I share these methods with you guys, I just want to first welcome you to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Alright, so with that being said, let me just talk about the first method, which is going to be freelancing. Now, if you don't know what freelancing is, it's basically where you're providing digital services online and you're getting paid in exchange for that. Now, when it comes to freelancing, there's a wide variety of online services that you can provide. I mean, it can range from anything like web development, graphic design, video editing, virtual assistant, writing articles. I mean, the list goes on and on. Now, if you don't know how to provide any type of online service, I mean, I would just recommend watching YouTube, just learning a few different skills that you can use and start making money by learning a couple of skills. I mean, basically, we have the internet at our access at any time. There's no excuse not to have an answer or learn something new. Now, if you're wondering what are some websites that you can use to start making money with freelancing, the two most popular ones that I would recommend, the first one is going to be Fiverr and the second one is going to be Upwork. Now, both of these websites are very similar. Fiverr, you're going to create a profile and then you're going to list the service that you're going to be providing. When somebody contacts you to provide that service, you're going to provide it and then you're going to get paid in exchange for that. And the same thing goes for Upwork. So I would highly advise to learn a skill and you can use that skill to make you money over and over again. The only thing that you're going to be trading is your time. So this is a great way to get started if you have no money to invest. Now, another way that you can make money online is by testing out websites. Now, you can actually make money by going to a website and completing a set of actions. And then you just speak your thoughts out loud. So basically, you're going to go to a website, you're going to complete a few actions, and then you're going to explain what your experience is when you're on this website. Now, just to give you guys a quick disclaimer, this is a method only to make a few extra dollars. This is not something that's going to replace your regular 9-to-5 job. This is something that you would do just to make a couple extra dollars to go out to the movies or order pizza. Now, if you're wondering what website you can do this on, this is a website called User Testing. So basically, how this works is you sign up, and then like I just mentioned, you're going to go to a website that they have you go to, you're going to complete a set of actions, and then you're going to speak your thoughts out loud in English. Now, what are the requirements in order to get started? First, you have to be at least 18 years or older. You have to be able to download their testing software, and then you're going to complete the set of actions and speak your thoughts out loud in English. Now, as far as the payment goes, you're going to be earning anywhere between $10 to $20 per test. And each test takes about roughly 20 to 30 minutes. Now, if you do the math, you would be earning more money working at a regular job. So like I said, this is something just to earn a couple extra dollars. So the next method is going to be from writing articles. Now, if you're somebody who enjoys writing, or you're just looking to improve your writing skills, I mean, this might be a great option for you. So you can actually make money by writing articles for different people or different companies. Now, if you're wondering what website that you can do this with, it's called textbroker.com. So I just want to let you guys know that as of the recording of this video, TextBroker is only available to the people in the United States. So in order to get started, you first have to prove that you're a US citizen, and then the next thing that you're going to do is complete a writing sample. Now, the reason why they have you do this is so they can evaluate how well you actually write, because they're going to pay you based off of your writing skill. So obviously, the more skilled that you are at writing, the more money that you're going to make. And they pay you per word. So you can just check out how much you're going to actually be earning per word that you write. So like I mentioned, if you're somebody who enjoys writing, I would recommend TextBroker. Now, another method that you can make money online if you have no money to get started is through dropshipping. Now, if you've probably heard about dropshipping before, you might know what it is. Basically, what it is you're finding an item that's being sold online, and then you're just relisting that same item for a higher price. So whatever price that you mark up that item for, that's going to be your commission. So let's say, for example, that you find a toaster on Walmart that sold for $20, if you relist that same item on eBay for $40, you would be making $20 commission. Now, most people who get started with dropshipping, they create their own store through Shopify, and they have their products shipped from China. But if you have no money whatsoever to get started, you can dropship using eBay. Now, most people who dropship using eBay, they find products from Walmart, Amazon, and even the Home Depot. So they basically do the same process like I just mentioned. They find a product that's being sold, they just relist it on eBay for a higher price, and they keep the commission. Now, there's a couple of downsides when it comes to using this method. I mean, the biggest downside I would say is that there's way too much competition. So you're not really going to make a whole lot of profit because, I mean, you're competing with everybody else that's doing the same thing. But you can still make money dropshipping through eBay. Now, the last method that I want to talk about, if you have no money to get started with, is affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online through a link that's coded directly to you. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they purchase that product that you're promoting, then you would earn a commission. Now, this is a great way to get started making money online because, one, you don't have to create a product in order to make money from it. And two, you don't have to store a bunch of inventory in your garage, your closet, or your house. I mean, everything most likely is going to be digital, or if it's a physical product, the person who created that product, they have to store it, and they're going to be the ones to ship it out to the customer. All you're doing is just making a commission every time somebody buys that product whenever you promote it to them. Now, you can get started with affiliate marketing for free. All you would do is just join an affiliate program. The most common one is Amazon Associates. So once you apply for Amazon Associates and you're approved, you can promote anything that's sold on Amazon as an affiliate. So that means if you want to promote a book, a toaster, like any product that's sold on Amazon, you can promote it through a specific affiliate link, and somebody clicks on your affiliate link, they buy it, you earn a commission. But if you're really trying to make money and grow a business with affiliate marketing, you're going to have to invest some money into an autoresponder service, maybe a program where you have to pay to become an affiliate, because usually the programs that you pay to be an affiliate for, those are going to be high ticket commissions, meaning that you would be earning at least $500 or more for each commission. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook download down in the description of this video if you want to learn how affiliate marketing works and how you can use it to make money online. Well, basically, those are the 5 different methods that you can use to get started making money online if you have no money to invest. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.